Let us ask the Lord for two important graces for our Christian journey. First, let us ask for the grace of fidelity, ang biyaya ng pagiging tapat, ng katapatan. What is fidelity? St. Paul, in our first reading today, gives us an example of fidelity. St. Paul's missionary work in Athens did not result in many converts. Very few people, a handful of people, believed in him and believed in Jesus. This is quite frustrating. You have given your best, and your best seemed not enough. But St. Paul teaches us an important lesson here, that fidelity is most important. Success and results do not matter. Fidelity to God alone is important. St. Paul teaches us not to measure success by numbers, not to measure success by the number of converts. Do not count. Leave the increase up to God. In our Christian life, what matters is not visible success, but our fidelity to the mission given to us by God. Napakalaki pong tukso na sukatin ang ating tagumpay sa dami ng tao, sa dami ng naniniwala, sa dami ng sumusunod. Pero para sa Diyos, ang tunay na success, ang tunay na biyaya ay yung katapatan natin sa Kanya. The world measures success by wealth, popularity, power, achievements. God measures success by fidelity. If we are faithful to God, we are already successful. The second grace that we ask from the Lord today is the grace of truthfulness, maging makatotohanan. In our gospel, Jesus talks about the Holy Spirit, and He describes the Holy Spirit as the Spirit of truth, Espiritu ng katotohanan. Now, the Holy Spirit is the Spirit of truth because the Holy Spirit helps us to be faithful to Jesus. Fidelity and truthfulness always go together. One cannot be faithful if one is not truthful. If one is dishonest, if one tells lies, that person cannot be faithful. Ang tunay na tapat, hindi manloloko. Ang tunay na tapat, hindi nagsisinungaling. Ang tunay na tapat, hindi nagtatago sa dilim. The true faithful person is always truthful. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, let us ask for this double grace of fidelity and truthfulness. Because many times in our world, in order to be successful, in order to get what we want, we compromise truth and fidelity.